Hey guys, Nicole here, your go-to Bulacan Realtor, and I'm here in Alegria Lifestyle Residences, Barangay La Marigata, Marilao, Bulacan. Let me tell you guys why you should grab the opportunity of owning either a residential lot or a house and lot here in Alegria, because it's so amazing. Let me just show you the area, guys, okay? So this Alegria Lifestyle Residences, can you see that? May nakalagay dyan guys, so Mercados, because this is part of their commercial lots. So for the meantime, they will be using it for this coming December, di ba? Kasi maraming parang may pagka-bancheto ganun guys. Ayan. Tapos itong area na to, itong malaking vacant lot na to, for future development pa yan, kung anumang malaking restaurant or fast food chain or whatever ang itatayo dyan. Tapos ayan, yung road na yan, this is already the Villarica Road. So going straight, few minutes drive, you will reach Marilao exit, North Luzon Expressway, NLEX, and then to the right naman dito guys, yung papuntang boundary po siya ng San Jose del Monte ng Muzon. So ang location nito guys, the good thing about Alegria Lifestyle Residences, along the main road siya, and then at the same time, pag papunta ka ng Quezon City or ng Manila, tapos yung way mo pa NLEX, pa Marilao, pa Balintawak, few minutes away ka lang, tapos papunta ka ng airport, few minutes ka lang, actually less than 1 hour kung mag-ano ka, madaling araw yung biyahe mo, NLEX, Marilao exit, tapos Skyway to Naiya. And then, kung halimbawang papunta ka naman ng SM Fairview, ng Landers Fairview, ng Ayala Fairview Terraces, meron po ditong shortcut na hindi ka nadadaan ng Quirino Highway, ang daan mo Bagong Silang, Caloocan, in 30 minutes, guys. Imagine, 30 minutes nasa SM Fairview ka na. Pero ang location ng address mo, Loma de Gato, Marilao, Bulacan. Diba? Sometimes, you are curious how did that happen? Kasi nga, ang strategic ng location niya, in between so many areas and cities siya. Kaya ang lapit niya sa boundary siya ng San Jose, boundary siya ng Caloocan, tapos boundary na pa Marilao exit na rin siya, very close. Kahit doon sa future BGC of the North, yung tinatawag nating NGC by Mega World na ongoing construction na ngayon, ang lapit niya lang guys kasi Marilao exit lang yon. So let's go, samahan niyo ako guys, and let's see kung ikaw ba ay qualified to own a piece of Alegria Lifestyle Residences. So, dito guys, pagpasok mo, maganda, meron siyang dalawang entrada. So, yung mga papasok ng subdivision sa side na to, and then yung mga palabas doon sa kabilang side, naka-separate siya. Diba? Ang ganda guys. Tapos, napakalawak ng main subdivision road na to sa loob. Parang more than, ano pa nga yung sukat feeling ko. Kasi parang naka 4 lanes. So, more than 12 meter wide pa siya, doble pa. Diba guys? So ito, makita nyo guys, sa pagpasok natin, very strict po yung guard rito. So number 1 na dapat mong tandaan, bawal ka ditong basta mag-walk-in. You have to contact me directly kung gusto mong makita yung ambience ng loob. Kung gusto mong mag-tripping, mag-viewing, mag-reserve, pwede naman din online reservation kung busy ka, kung nasa abroad ka. Pero ito yung ating entrance gate guard. Ayan, may RFID din dyan. Ayan guys, let's go! So here guys, like what I'm saying, ito yung kanyang main subdivision road na naka 4 lanes. Ganyan lang naman siya guys, kalawak, no? Ayan. So pupunta tayo guys sa iikot-ikot lang muna tayo. So, we're just gonna stroll around. So, this area, kapag kasi ang gusto mong kunin dito, single detached, nagre-range na po siya ng 15 to 20 million, okay? Pag single detached house and lot package, yung i-avail mo. Alright, guys? I hope we are clear on that. Pero kung halimbawa namang lot only, ang i-avail mo dito, okay? So, without further ado, magpapakita na rin ako ng sample computation ng lot only. So, minimum lot po dito, guys, 112 square meters. So, grab nyo na yung opportunity na yan na mababa yung down payment niya. Lot only 112. Pwede po ang outside contractor, syempre with bond yun. At pwede rin yung contractor mismo ay si developer, si Roca. Ang developer po natin dito ay Roca, okay? So, ayan guys, napakalawak at napakaganda ng ating community. Talagang elegant and high-end po ang community ng Alegria. Actually, sa area ng Marilao, Bulacan guys, ito na yung pinaka high-end na project na alam ko na makikita nyo. Kasi, diba, look at that. Yan. So nakita nyo naman yung sample competition ng lot only, guys. If you are interested with that, just contact me as soon as possible para makapili na kaagad kayo dahil we are selling fast. We only have very limited slots left, okay? So dadaan din tayo dito, guys, sa part ng may napakalaking clubhouse dito yan, guys, right in the middle. So, let me show that to you. Yan yung may sample ng mga single detached houses dito, guys. Nakikita nyo sa screen na yan. Yan yung mga 15 to 20 million. Yan. So, let's just keep going. And here in the middle, guys, we have a huge clubhouse. Yan. So, this is your community here in Alegria Lifestyle Residences. So, ito, guys, yung kanyang napakalaking clubhouse. Ayan, o. Showing you on the screen, diba? Kita niyo yan, guys. Yan. So, this is your community here in Alegria. Kapag naman, guys, gusto nyo dito ng affordable duplex house and lot, na yung separate house tour ko doon, meron na akong separate video nun. Ilalagay ko siya sa comment section. Panoorin nyo yun, guys, o kaya sa link in the description, yung house tour ko doon sa Ariada duplex na yan, guys. Yan, pakita ko lang din sa screen yung parang pinaka, exterior niya, yung picture ni Ariada. Kung yan yung gusto nyo i-avail, guys, ayan, mag-share na rin ako ng sample competition ni Ariada showing on the screen right now. Ayan. So, kung gusto niyo ng house and lot package na mas affordable, duplex. Kasi yung mga single detached nga dito, 15 to 20 M na. So, ganyan po yung level ng mga kapitbahay nyo dito, guys. Na yung mga properties dito is ganyan na po yung halaga. Ayan. So, diba? Ayan, tignan nyo naman yung view dito, guys. So, parang Tagaytay. Napaka highly elevated to kaya pag dinanong mo, Marilao, napakalaki po ng Marilao. This is the non-flooded area of Marilao, Bulacan, just for your information, guys, okay? So there you have it. Nag-quick stroll lang tayo dito, guys. Medyo lang yun, mabilis na paikot lang yun from the entrance gate, tapos clubhouse, tapos pabalik ulit yan. Pero nakapagbigay ako sa inyo ng sample competition, guys, and again, very limited slots available. So all you need to do is to contact me as soon as possible sa akin Viber, WhatsApp number, ayan siya, guys. Or if you are using Messenger, yan, you can follow me. Just mention Alegria. Mention nyo na, guys, kung halimbawang lot only yung interested kayo, or kung si Ariada, or kung ano man yun, ha. Just mention lang yung kung lot only or house and lot ang hanap mo dito sa Alegria. Okay, guys? So that's all you need to know. And of course, we're gonna keep going. Most important thing is don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. We're going on the right here, and we're gonna exit. Look at our beautiful entrance and exit gate. Thank you, guys, for watching. Like and subscribe. Have a nice day.